Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations, and today I'm here with another quick DIY project. This is on a bird feeder cone. We're gonna prepare. As you can see on my behind, we have a snow, so it's a good opportunity, especially in snow weather. You do this project with your kids, or even this project is good for Sunday school kids or school kids, and it's a great way to teach the kids how we feed the birds. So let's see how we're gonna make this bird feeder cone. So here we have a bird food I already take out in outside. Then we have a jumbo corn cups and peanut butter, yum. And I also have these strings for you. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna use these strings for hanging. So as you can see here, we're gonna move inside, and then inside we have this here. I'm just gonna pull it. And like rolling. And the same way to other side. Same way, like rolling inside. It's like if you want to give a knot, you can give a knot. And that's it. We just prepare the structure. Now we have here peanut butter. We're just gonna use like this. That's our base, so our bird food can stick with this. Alright, and here we're gonna rolling our corn in the bird food. It's beautiful. Even you can cover full corn. It's up to you if you want to put more. So well, you just have prepared one little bird feeder cone, and it's so pretty. I'm sure you guys we're gonna love this idea, and especially those kids. Stay tuned for more DIY project, and God bless you all. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. Bye bye.